Hey guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Once again, I'm talking about the Anchor coin. My friends, what's going on in the Anchor coin? Let's see the latest update of the Anchor coin. But my friends, before starting this video, please guys make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. My friend, first of all, I really want to congratulate to all Anchor coin holders because you can see here, my friends, after 20 July, the Anchor coin start jumping, my friends. And you know what, my personal prediction, my personal opinion, I'm sure about Anchor coin that Anchor coin gave us a huge amount of profit, my friends. You know what, my friends, I also told you in my many videos that please hold Anchor coin to the last of this month, and you know what, it is the last of month, and in the ending of a month the Anchor coin start explosion. Still, my friends, the price of Anchor coin is in the jumping mood, so at this time they are in the profit, my friends. Anyways, on the other hand, if we talk about the price change, so you can see negative 7.69%, the price change is negative. Why the price change is negative? What's the reason behind it? The reason is that you can see here in a previous time the price fasted, but now just only the latest situation after 20 July. I'm talking about after 20 July the Anchor coin started jumping. Before 20 July the price of Anchor coin is completely falls down. But my friends, you know what, the changes will become positive. But they takes time. After 1 week, after 2 3 days, the price change will become positive, my friends. So now, my friends, I recommend for all of you to please hold it and don't decide to sell, because now the pumping time, it is the beginning of a pump, and I hope they continue this jump for a long time. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Ankr coin? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos.